Elizabeth. I am the founder and CEO of Taylor Elizabeth Advising, under which I have two groups, which is the Elegance Advisor Consultancy and MindSage International. I am an emotional intelligence, etiquette, communications coach, and image expert. I'm American originally. I am based in Dubai and also in Mumbai, and I have traveled to 68 different countries. I have clients in 22 countries. So I started the Elegance Advisor Consultancy initially in 2019 after a career of over 13 years traveling the world doing international public relations. When I was finishing my degrees and my certifications, I thought to myself, what do I want to do with this? Do I want to just teach etiquette? Do I want to just teach the soft skills, the communication skills, my experience for the last 13 years? Or do I want to lean into this a little differently? And then it came to my realization that actually, what's missing when you teach a skill is first the mindset needs to be there. First, you need to have awareness to either the need or to one's own behavior or to what they will achieve or what they want to achieve. There needs to be consciousness. There needs to be self-awareness. And if that is there, all the skills that you pick up and learn afterwards are so much stronger. They become a part of that individual, and so really their behavior is shifted, their image, their communications, everything it's threefold stronger. And so I decided to create a consultancy where I don't just teach the skills, but I always work with all of my clients. So the mission of Taylor Elizabeth Advising, the Elegance Advisor Consultancy, and MindSage International is to use the skills of emotional intelligence, communications, etiquette, as well as image to empower people, regardless if they're in whatever sector they're working in or in their personal life, to be the best version of themselves, to be the most confident, to feel the most secure, to feel the most prepared in whatever environment they're doing. So this is what our mission is. The brand itself is different because of the services and the offerings that we offer. So we combine not only the soft skills, not only the life skills, not only the communications, the etiquette, the image, as well as the personal development skills. We also offer the mindset training, so the emotional intelligence coaching. So the combination is quite unique. In addition to that, myself as the founder and CEO and all those that I train on my team, we all come at it from a different approach, which is that we are trained as business professionals, as communications experts, as somebody that has not only experience working with one culture, but many cultures. Me, myself, I have been able to live in many different countries, travel around the world, have clients around the world, and I bring all that specific experience, all the different education approach in combination with what we offer in mentoring and coaching to our clients. I'm incredibly humbled by the awards that I have received, also the recognition, the news articles, things of this nature, and the speaking opportunities that I've had around the world. There are so many that I don't know what to mention, but I would say the ones that touch me the most are the ones that I receive when it comes to mentorship, leadership, global impact awards, especially when it comes to cross-cultural awareness, tolerance, sustainability, things of this nature. But beyond that, beyond all the awards and the recognition, it's when I see the success of my clients, when I see them achieving what they want to achieve, when I see that they've overcome what they need to overcome and that they've grown. And also through my online platforms, how that's positively impacted people through social media, through my online pages, and through my online courses and classes to see and help them achieve what they want to achieve. That is the real success and the real reward and award for me. So there are many. I offer coaching in person, individual coaching in person, online in many different countries. That's one option. I also have online courses, which is at your own pace courses. I give workshops to people online or in person as well. But there are two things specifically I would like to highlight. This is our Pathway to Elegance, which is a subscription program that we've created online, which basically helps those people subscribed to develop themselves. Again, always in the same way, mindset, communications, image, and their behavior. So it gives them a daily information on how to improve and elevate themselves. That's one option. The other one is Empowered ED. So Empowered ED is a program that we have developed for schools in India where they are receiving emotional intelligence coaching over a 4-year period. And this helps them develop themselves so that they are best prepared for the next transition into either professional or into collegiate university life.